Hello and welcome to this new video. It is a part of a list, so if you are new, please take a look to the previous videos because they are all connected. You will find the link in the description below. Today we will see how to use the joystick with the ESP32. Once you master this module, you can easily control remotely a robot. This is the one that I have. You can find it on the 37 sensors kit. For the wiring, the ground should be connected to the ground. Beware, the 5-volt pin should be connected to the 3-volt pin in the ESP32. Connect the other pins to any of the analog to digital converter pins. If you tilt your module to the bottom and all your pins will be oriented to the bottom, the X pin controls the vertical movement. The Y pin controls the horizontal movement. For the bottom, it reacts when it is pressed. Let's go to the site easycoding.tn and search for any link to TUNIOT for ESP32. Make a zoom of 90% to view all the blocks. In our first program, I will show on the serial monitor the value of each pin to understand the behavior of my module. The X pin is connected to D12, Y to D13, and the bottom A to D14. Now we can upload the program and open the serial monitor. In the ESP32, the ADC pin returns a value between 0 and 4095. When I move the joystick to the top, the first value is equal to 4095. When I move it to the bottom, it will be around 0. For the right and the left side, you can see that the second value is changing. For the bottom, it is equal to 0 when it is pressed. Now I will improve my program by showing clear message when I move the joystick. For example, I will show top if I move the joystick to the top and bottom if I move it to the bottom. Of course, you can optimize your program. And now I will try to test and see the result. Now I'm moving my joystick in different position and pressing on the button. Bye.